So for years now, I've been getting a lot of the same messages over and over again. Jeremy, how do I swap this out? How do I make this healthier? How do I make this recipe oil-free? What if the rest of my family still eats meat and I don't want to have to cook 2 meals? My kid hates lentils. I can't eat tofu or soy products at all. What do I do with these random ingredients at the end of the week? And I try to answer as many of these as I can, but I can't be in all your kitchens at once. So I built something. Now before anyone panics, don't worry. Nothing about our YouTube channel is changing. Cookbook reviews are staying. All the recipes we show on the channel, all the modifications I do, that's not going anywhere. All the nerdy deep dives about the topics that you're interested in, staying. This is just something extra, something that honestly I wish that I had when I started my weight loss and whole food plant-based journey. You know how I'm constantly doing modifications here on the channel? Like someone asks me how to replace oil in a recipe and I give you a TED talk on aquafaba. Or someone asks me how to make something higher protein and I go to lentils or tofu, for example. Or I add extra vegetables to a dish to help balance them out. Or I rip open my fridge, pull out a bunch of ingredients and show you what I make at the end of the week. That is literally what this is, but it's in your pocket. I've spent the last couple months working with this really awesome team to build something that I am calling Adapo. It's designed to help people adjust their eating habits based on their own personal goals. It's not a calorie tracker, but it can help you figure that out if you want. It's not a macro tracking app, but it can do that as well if that's helpful. It is not a medical device. It is not trying to replace your doctor. It is trained on all the videos here on the channel, as well as all the information inside of my ebook, which yes, is still available and hard copies are available as well. You can hit me up right here if you want to get a hard copy. There's lots of stuff in here on how to do swaps, on how to adjust recipes, how to stock a whole food plant-based kitchen. This app is trained on all of this, so if you don't want to leaf through this every time, you'll have that at your hand tips. Fingertips, hand tips. I like hand tips. Maybe not, maybe fingertips. And I've also put quite a bit of stuff into this that isn't necessarily in either of those places yet. The actual design of this is a really in-depth coach to help guide you through the process of learning how to make healthier meals on your own over time. But if you just want to skip to the coaching part where you're just asking it to help you with your recipes, you can do that as well. What I love about an app like this is it's kind of designed to meet you where you're at and what you want to get from it. Think of it like a meal upgrade tool that's going to help educate you on how to make healthier meals and make you feel more confident in the kitchen. And because different people think and work differently, we've made this app to reflect that as well. You can paste your favorite current recipe into this and it'll modify it based on the goals you've already told it that you have. You can take a picture from online or take a picture yourself of food and ask it to make a version of that is whole food plant-based. You can take a picture of what is left in your fridge and or your pantry at the end of the week and say, what do I do with these ingredients? And it'll give you some suggestions. You can tell it, I want less saturated fat. I want more fiber. I want more plant protein. I'm gluten-free. I hate olives or mushrooms or whatever. My spouse eats meat, but I don't. My kids are picky. It helps you modify your meals without having to start from scratch or eat meals that you're actually not interested in eating. The reality is that most people don't struggle with knowing that healthy food exists. What they struggle with is, here's the food I already know that I like. How do I make it healthier? Let's take it for a test drive. Say you want to make a really creamy pasta recipe and say you've got your favorite from a website that you love. So I pulled up one here and I'm just going to copy and paste. We're going to go over to the coach and I'm going to say, make this whole food plant-based. And what I love about this is it breaks it down and gives you options based on what you actually want. It gives you a non-whole food plant-based version if you want by just telling it to use a plant-based butter, but it goes the next step as well and it'll tell you to use cashews. It tells you how to replace the whipping cream. And it even gives you a quick recipe for a Parmesan cheese in here. And now it gets really into the specifics because it's asking you, do you just want the step-by-step recipe of what we've already said? Do you want a nut-free version, an oil-free version? This is where you get to take it as in-depth as you want in the direction you want to take it in. And I'll be honest, this version I've got set up right here is pretty generic, but what you're going to do is when you open up your account, you're going to do a little intake form, and it's going to help you to prepare the app for yourself. So a lot of times it might not even ask these things because it just knows what you are looking for. I'm going to give it a bit of a challenge. I'm telling it I'm making it for 3 people, 1 who is whole food plant-based, 1 omnivore, 1 picky eater. So now it's giving you options. It gives you an omnivore option where you can take part of the sauce out and add some Parmesan cheese to it if you'd like. And it gives you tips for your picky eater as well. And you can go to this to the next level. You can say, add more protein in here. If you can't eat soy, tell it that it won't give you soy options. Now let's test out the photo ability. We're going to take this photo. We'll save it to our photos. This is a traditional meatloaf, baked potato, sour cream. Super indulgent, not a whole food plant-based meal. Let's pop back over to our app. Let's start a new chat in here. And I'm going to tell it, adapt this to be whole food plant-based. So within seconds, it's giving us options for the meatloaf, what you can swap out the ground meat for. The baked potato as well. It's giving us option for how to make a sour cream. It's giving us some suggestions for vegetables. And now, because it's already learned some bit about us from the previous chat I just did, it's like, do you want something for picky eaters? Do you want us to make this nut-free? You gotta make it the way you want to eat it. If you want it spicier, if you want to have like a bit of a fusion blend, you throw that into here. Okay, so come with me because now we're gonna have it do one of my favorite things that it can do, and that is just do an assessment of your fridge. Give me a second. I gotta organize my fridge. I mean, things are in bags still. Let's see what this does. So I'm not even gonna take a great photo here, and let's see what it does. Give me some meal suggestions based on what's in my fridge. How did it see that it noticed the cilantro, it noticed the dill, it noticed the celery, the carrots, the tofu, obviously. This is literally just me opening the fridge and taking a quick photo in the laziest way possible. If you actually lay these things out on your counter and you add in, grains and anything else, it'll give you a much more comprehensive, in-depth look. But just right here, it's giving me vegetable soup options, cucumber and herb salad, a roasted veggie platter, tofu scramble. I mean, those are all quick, easy meals that you can make without really thinking about it too hard. And now, right after that, it says, do you want more ideas? Do you want it for breakfast? Do you want some soup? It's me in your pocket. Don't you want me in your pocket? And yes, this is a paid app, but nothing here on the channel is changing otherwise. But as I'm sure you're all aware, building and maintaining software like this has real time and cost associations with it. So what this app is for people who want to have a little bit of extra coaching help and something like this in their pocket that they can use and learn from to feel more confident in their kitchens, making adaptations in the way that they specifically want them. For reference in terms of the cost though, it costs less than 1 takeout meal a month. Less than any meal kit you're gonna buy. Way less than a cookbook. Think of it like this. If it saves you one bad decision or some produce that you throw out once a month, it kind of pays for itself. And if you're already a member of our Mighty Network or you become one in the future, you'll get a unique discount code that essentially bundles them together so that the membership is rolled into the price of the app. I almost forgot to tell you, if you sign up during our launch promo right now, you get 20% off whether you sign up monthly, quarterly, or annually. And just from a selfish point of view, the more people that sign up in the first week really helps us because it pushes us out on the platform that is helping us build this app. So if you're thinking of signing up, give it a shot this first week because it really helps us out. This is for you if you've ever stared inside of your fridge at the end of the day wondering what the heck you're gonna make. If you want to reduce or add certain ingredients into your diet and you just don't know how. If you're trying to eat better, but the rest of your family isn't necessarily interested in that and you don't want to make 2 or 3 separate meals. If you're looking for consistency as opposed to just plain old perfection, which let me tell you, doesn't exist. Basically, you just want to make the decision parts easier. And for those that want to get super nerdy, you just want a whole food plant-based coach in your pocket, teaching you how to apply all the things that I talk about in all these videos all the time. I built this because you've kind of been asking for it for years. Literally yesterday, I got an email from one of you saying, I'd love an app that could do this. So I was really happy to be able to write back and say, it's coming a lot faster than you think. And if I was starting off my weight loss and plant-based journey today, this is the kind of app that I would love to have had to save me hours of frustration and just make the whole process a lot simpler. And this doesn't mean that I want you to stop commenting and asking questions in the comments and in our Mighty Network community or any of that. It just gives you direct, immediate answers that do it in the same way that I would. We're still gonna be cooking here on the channel every week. I'm still gonna be doing my nerdy deep dives. None of that is changing. I just wanted to create a tool that can help you feel a little bit more confident. And if this isn't your thing, that's totally fine too. We will see you in the next video, which YouTube has all queued up for you right here. Thanks.